Good day guys, welcome back to Trill Ideas and my name is Trimizi. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the platform that you can use for international transfer, and it can also be used for your arbitrage opportunity. The most amazing part of this arbitrage I'm about to share with you guys is that the rate of this platform is very okay, depending on the country you are using the application from. But as for me, I'm using it from Nigeria, and the rate I'll be buying dollar is around 414 naira. It's not up to that, but with your charges and everything, I just calculated it to be 414 naira. So now, without wasting much of you guys' time, if this is the first time you'll be coming across my YouTube channel, ensure to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. What I normally do on this YouTube channel is to share ideas on how you can make money online in a legit way. So without further ado, let's dive direct into the video. So before we go ahead, or before I show you guys the application you're using for today's arbitrage, ensure to click on the subscribe button right away and smash the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. So now, the next thing for you to do, for Android users, you need to go to your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, you search for Fin2Do, that is fin.do. So once you search for fin.do, this is the application. If you don't have it installed on your phone, you have to download and install it. I've already shared this arbitrage opportunity on my Telegram group, I think since on 17th of October. I've already shared it there. These are the benefits of you joining my Telegram group. If you have not joined the Telegram group, I'll be dropping the link in my description box. So ensure to click on the link and join the Telegram group so as to get more benefits of this nature. So now, once you install it, after it's been installed, then you open it. You need to register and verify your account. After the registration, you carry out your verification. You can verify it with your national identity card or your international passport. I made use of my international passport for my verification, and it was fast enough. I'm okay with it. So if you have international passport, that's okay for you to use. So now, if you don't have any card linked to this, I have several cards linked to this. These are the cards here. So now, the next thing for me to do now is to click on this button right away. Once I click on transfer, then the card I want to send from, I'll select the card. Once I select the card and the card I want to send to, I'm sending to myself, I'll still click on the card. Then the amount I will be sending USD to receive USD. I'll be sending USD to receive USD. So for the sake of this video, I'll be sending $10. I'll be sending $10. So before I do that, for those that don't know how to link card, these are the ways you can do it. Let me go back and show you guys first. So before I continue to show you guys how you can link your card, if you're enjoying the content, please ensure to give a thumbs up. Ensure to like this video right away. I'm waiting for you guys to do that, because as you are doing that, you are helping the channel to grow. And ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, now let's move to the next level. How you can link your card: just come right away to this corner. You click on this card here. Once you click on the card, for the sending cards, this side is for the sending cards and this other side is for the receiving card. Once you click on add, you input your card number, the expiry date and the CVV at the back of the card. Then you select the currency. Like for me, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll select NGN. Let me even use a random card details 5399. Sorry. Incorrect card number. I know it's not correct. I'm very sure you guys are familiar with this. Just input your card details, then you select the color you want to use, then your card number, although it's optional, but I prefer you guys to still put it. Let's say Yusuf Mohammed. You understand? Then you click on apply. Then the next thing is to click on continue after inputting everything. So after inputting it, it will notify you if the card can send and also receive. So as for the cards that I've already inputted under this under this sending, all these cards can send out, and for the receiving aspect, all these cards can also receive, but this first one can receive. Ensure to click on my Telegram group. I'll be dropping the cards that I link to this platform in my Telegram group, and also ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. So now these are the ways you can add a card. So the next thing for you to do, let's click on these settings. For those that have not been verified, let's assume I have not been verified. You come to this ID verification, you click on, once you click on it, although I've been verified, so it will give you option to select your international passport, option to take a picture for your quick verification, and all other stuffs. Then for the security aspect, if you want to change your password or do any other thing. So those are the ways you can do it. So now, for me now, I'm in Nigeria. Concerning the language, I'll leave it in English, but if you're in Spain, you change to Espanol, those stuffs. So I know you guys are familiar with those kind of stuff. You can do it yourself. Then for the user limit, for your limit to be increased, you need to be verified. Once you register your account, your limit will be $35,000. But as you can see, my limit has been increased to approximately $50,000. That is $15,000 added. These are the current limits that I'm having on all cards per month. So now, let me show you guys how you can do the transfer. Let me go back. So you click to the middle, on the middle button. Once you click on it, you select the card you want to transfer from. This is the card I want to use. Then the card I want to receive. This is the card I want the stuff to receive. So I'll be sending USD. Let's assume I select Naira. Once I select Naira and I'm sending to USD, let's assume I'm sending 9,000 Naira. There's a charges attached to it. There's a charge of $1.49. I think this charge, it varies, you understand, from $1 to $40. I think the charges is $1.49. Sorry, is $1.49. $1.49. But anything from $50 upward, let's even input it so that you guys can see. Let's input it so that you guys can see. As you can see, $40. Let's wait for it to pop up the charges. The charge is still Naira, and sorry, it's still $1.49. These are the charges. So let me increase it to $50 so that you see. You know, initially it was $1.49, so it has been increased to $1.85. So depending on what you are sending, that is how you'll be charged. So now let's click on this latest update. Once you click on this latest update, these are the latest updates that is currently going on the platform. You understand? These are the countries you can transfer to. These are the countries you can transfer to. You can also check it out, but the most important thing, ensure your account is verified. Please ensure your account is verified. No even option for Naira. It has been option for Naira has been removed. So now let's go back so that I'll show you guys how you can do the transfer. For the sake of this video, I'll be using $10. Then I'll click on continue. I'll need to input the CVV at the back of my card. Let me input it. Then I've already inputted it. Then I'll click on send. I'm waiting for it to load. Still waiting for it to load. So I'm expected to input my OTP. So I'm waiting for the OTP to drop. It has dropped 170,553. 170,553. Then I'll click on submit. Transfer is being processed. So this will take like 24 to 48 hours before it arrives. So it will take like 24 to 48 hours before it arrives. So I'll still click on OK. Wow, okay, my limit has been exceeded. Wow, the transaction failed, as you can see. The transaction failed. Let me see, view receipts. So let's go back and try the other card. Let me try another card. Let me try the other card. I think it's this one. Click on receive. USD to USD. If you try Naira, let's try Naira. You can't transfer from Naira to USD. It's not allowed for now. They've already changed it. It's not allowed for now. Let's try 5,000 Naira so you can see. 5,000 Naira. Let's try 5,000 Naira so you can see. Click on continue. Okay, this card is not closed. 2795. Okay, this is the card here. So let me select Naira. Once you select Naira, 5,000 Naira to receive in USD. So although we will charge $1.49, then we'll click on continue. Let me put the CVV. Then I click on send. Once I click on send, I'll be expecting OTP. You see, like I said, if you are sending with Naira to USD, is not allowed for now. You can only send from Euro to Euro, USD to USD. So now go back and select USD. Then let's input $10. Note this, there is limit to every card you are adding. Like in your country, if you have unlimited, or let me say $5,000 limit on your card, that is the amount of dollar you can be able to run. So like for we Nigerians now, we are facing problem of dollar. You understand, the FX is having issue in our country, so the limit has been reduced drastically. So now, as for the card I'm using, this card I'm currently using, I think it's having about $20 limit, and I've used $10 to try it earlier, but let me try $10 now, maybe to go. Let me put the CVV. Now click on send. I'm waiting for it to take me to the OTP page. Okay, I'm waiting for the OTP to drop. Okay, 491,557. 491,557. 557. Now click on confirm. Okay, so now I'm waiting for it to drop. So now this is the method you can use to transfer. So if you want to know about the card you can use on this platform, ensure to join my Telegram group and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're enjoying this content, ensure to like this video, because as you are liking the video, you are also helping the channel. So let me show you guys my Telegram group. I would like you guys to join my Telegram group because this is where I normally share updates before I go ahead to make videos on YouTube. So now I won't like this video to be too long. I don't like the video to be too long. So that'll be all for today's video. Please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video, and also share the video with your loved ones. So these are the ways you can, if you want to know more about this platform, you can also browse about them on your own. You can also browse about them. The website is also fin.do. You can search for it on your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, whatever browser you are using. You search for it. In here you get to know more about their do's and don'ts. They are secure, fast and transparent. It transfers to almost about 50 countries, so you get to know more about the platform. So that will be all for this video. Ensure to join Telegram group so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. I love you all.